Welcome to the Chemistry YouTube channel. Maharashtra SET 2020 question and answer with detailed explanatory answer, Chemical Science Part 7. Question number 72. A dislocation with a Burger vector that equals one lattice space is called dash dislocation. Here the dislocation line can be considered as a boundary between slipped and unslipped region. Hence, the vector characterizing magnitude and direction of this slip is called Burger vector. So, a dislocation of unit Burger vector is known as unit dislocation. Hence here answer A is correct, and C is wrong, because it is a perfect dislocation. It is not an imperfect dislocation. It is not a partial dislocation, and it is not frank. While partial dislocation or imperfect dislocation has Burger vector less than 1. The value is less than 1. Question number 73. The expression for the rate of chain initiation in addition polymerization is. Here, in addition polymerization, the initiator molecule splits into a free radical or dot. Is a Kd rate constant, where Ri equal to rate equal to Kd into I. The expression is given. Hence, initiator efficiency and the factor 2 is introduced because of decomposition of one initiator molecule. And I is the initiator molecule, which gives 2 initiator radicals or dot. D is correct. The rate equal to Kd into I. Question number 74. In condensation polymerization, the reactivity of a specific functional group increase with increase in molecular size, decrease with increase in molecular size, independent of molecular size. Here, in condensation polymerization, the chain growth polymers, most of which grow by carbon-carbon bond formation. Step growth polymers generally grow by carbon heteroatom bond formation, that is CO and Cn. Hence, the reactivity of a specific functional group is independent of the molecular size. Reactivity is always remains the same. Hence, it will not increase or it will not decrease, and the option D is also wrong. Hence, option C is correct. It is independent of molecular size. Question number 75. The weight average molecular mass MW of a polymer having 2 monomer 50 and 75 with the corresponding molecular weight 5000 and 6000 gram per mole is given. Now you have to calculate the MW. Here N1 is 50 given, N2 is 75, M1 molecular weight of a first monomer, molecular weight of a second monomer, and MW equal to Ni square sigma divided by sigma Ni Mi. And substituting the values, you will get 5642 gram per mole. Hence option here B is correct. According to Langmuir theory of adsorption, which of the following is correct? Heat of absorption changes with the coverage is called Temkin isotherm. A is called Temkin isotherm, where Temkin noted experimentally that the heat of adsorption would more often decrease the increase in increasing coverage. Hence, option A is not correct. Heat of absorption is independent of coverage. Option B is correct. Adsorption species interact with each other is wrong. Adsorption is always non-dissociative is also wrong. Option B is correct. Question number 77. According to Debye theory, specific heat at a high temperature, they have given high temperature, is proportional to. The theory leads to a conclusion that specific heat capacity Cv for a solid is proportional to T cube. It is also called as d by T cubed law, which depends on temperature. This result is in very good agreement with experimental low temperature. The CV here, listen, the CV is directly proportional to T cube at a low temperature. But they are asking at a high temperature. For high temperature, CV is directly proportional to T0 at high temperature. So that is CV is independent of temperature, T0. Hence, it is independent of temperature at a high temperature. Here, option D is correct. Here, according to Dulong-Petit's law, at a high temperature, CV is equal to 3R. CV is nearly equal to 3 into R. R is the gas constant. Question number 78. According to Langmuir adsorption, an equilibrium between the reaction, it's a adsorbent upon the solid. This is in equilibrium A minus S. Equation has been given. The adsorption coefficient K, they are asking K, is defined as Ka by Kd, where Ka and Kd are rate constant for adsorption and desorption respectively. Okay. First one is, this is adsorption, and this one is desorption. Okay. Then what is the K value? They are asking K. Here K equal to product by reactant. Product by reactant, which is equal to, the product is A minus S. Reactant is A into S. Hence, here option 1 is correct. And 2 is not correct because which is equal to 1 by K. A large value of K indicates strong adsorption. Yes, strong adsorption is a correct answer, because the value of K is more for absorption. This will be more and this will be less. That is Ka greater than Kd. Absorption will be greater than the desorption. Thus option 3 is correct, and whereas 4 is wrong. Here Ka greater than Kd. Here what they are given is Kd greater than Ka is wrong. Hence here option 1 and 3 is correct. Answer A is correct. Question number 79. Which of the following is correct? In X-ray photoelectron spectroscopy, valence electrons are ejected. Here the valence electron is wrong. In X-ray photoelectron spectroscopy, the electron from K shell is ejected. It's not the valence electron, it's from K shell. Hence option, kinetic energy of the photoelectron increase with the intensity. No, it is increase with the frequency. Hence option B is wrong. Here kinetic energy of photoelectrons decreases with the oxidation state. Oxidation state is not also means that valence electron. That is a removal of electron from the valence shell. And here it is also in valence shell, it is also wrong. And here D, intensity, that is the photoelectron, which means the intensity increases with the frequency of the incident rays. Here the frequency is equal to kinetic energy. Hence option D is also wrong. It's a grace question where 4 options were wrong. Question number 80. For a solid liquid interface of the following equation is applicable. Here they are given solid vapor, mu, solid liquid and liquid vapor, and they are given cos theta, where theta is a contact angle. This SV, SL and LV are the surface tension of the solid interface, and the surface tension of the liquid is equal to, let us take this one, a surface which is having this angle theta. For this one, angle theta is equal to 180 degree. They have given sticking, hence if it has been sticked means here theta is equal to 0. It is completely sticked. Hence here, now in cos theta, let us take cos theta which is equal to cos 180 which is equal to minus 1. So cos 90 is equal to 0. Hence the value decreases. So for this should be a minimum. This should be the minimum to get cos theta negative value. Hence here option C is correct, because the metal has to be coated with low energy substance. If mu SV is minimum means the value of cos theta is minus 1. So cos theta equal to minus 1 means it is a low energy. Option B is wrong and option A and D is wrong. Option C is correct according to given equation. Question number 81. A particle can occupy either ground state E equal to 0 and excited state E greater than 0 at a temperature T. Probability of the particle being excited state is. Let us take a particle in the ground state where E equal to 0, and this particle moves to the excited state E greater than 0. Let us take this particle, moves to the excited state. From ground state it moves to the excited state. This is a ground state and it is a excited state. Now the probability P is given as n excited state divided by Q, which is given as P equal to exponential e power minus E divided by kb into T divided by e power 0 plus e power minus E by kb into T, which is, we know that e power 0, anything power 0 is 1. So e power minus E by kbt divided by 1 plus e power minus E by kb into T. This answer matches with the option C. Hence option A is wrong and option B is wrong and option D is also wrong. The option matches with the option C. Question number 82. According to Einstein's photoelectric equation, the slope of the plot of kinetic energy of photoelectrons versus frequency of the incident radiation will be. Here let us draw the plot. What they have given is the kinetic energy is taken in y-axis and the frequency is taken in x-axis. We will get a straight line like this. Einstein photoelectric effect, it is h mu equal to W plus kinetic energy, where W is the work function and Ke is equal to h mu minus W. W is the work function, and this equation matches with the equation of straight line y equal to mx plus c. And let us take the slope, which is dy by dx. Here slope is equal to h. Slope is equal to h, which is a Planck's constant. Hence, if you extend like this, this is on negative side, this is a W. Extend like this, and this value is a W. Let us see from the option. Option A will depend upon nature of the metal that emits the photoelectron. Hence here the slope h does not depend on, hence option A is wrong. This does not depend on the nature of the metal. Will depend on intensity? No, it does not depend on intensity. Will depend on both intensity and nature. It's also wrong. Option D is correct, where will be same, that is slope equal to h, which is a constant. It's a Planck's constant. Constant are same for all metals and independent of intensity of radiation. Option D is correct. Let us take question number 83. For a simple harmonic oscillator, potential energy V equal to half into kx square. V is the potential energy. Potential energy varies linearly with the displacement from equilibrium. Linearly, A is wrong. Spacing between the energy level increase with increasing energy is also wrong, because delta E equal to h mu, which is a constant, and it will not increase, and it also does not decrease. Hence B, C both are wrong. Number of nodes of the wave function increase with increasing energy. Option D is correct. Let us see how it is. Let us take node 0, n equal to 0, then E0 equal to, according to potential energy, of h mu, that is no node. Let us take here no node. Let us take n equal to 1, which has one node, then E1 equal to (3 by 2) h mu, which has one node. Here you see it has one node. When n equal to 2, that is for E2, which has two nodes. Here it has two nodes, 1 and 2. So this number of nodes, that is the number of nodes of wave function, increases with the increasing energy. Hence option D is correct. Question number 84. Which of the following is correct for H2 plus ion? In H2 plus ion is HA and HB, which has one electron, only one electron. Here psi equal to 1 SA plus or minus 1 SB, which is known as linear combination of atomic orbital. Hence, the psi is given as, if we put a constant C1, 1 SA plus or minus C1, C2, 1 SB. Hence, option A is correct. So it's a trial wave function. In B, coefficient of a trial wave function are not equal to, it is equal. In C, you see here it is given in division, hence it is wrong. It's also wrong. 1s orbital are not normalized. It's orthogonal to each other. Two orbitals are, hence here 1s orbital is normalized. Hence option D is also wrong. Option A is correct. And here they have given plus or minus symbol, plus or minus. This plus is for ground state and minus is for excited state. Question number 85. Which of the following is true according to variation theorem? The ground state energy of a quantum mechanical system is 0. No, it is not 0. Here the trial wave function E trial will be greater than or equal to E0. Greater than or equal to E0, option 2 is correct. And option 3 is equal to 0 is wrong. It is infinite. No, it is finite. Ground state energy of the quantum mechanical system is finite. Hence option 4 is also wrong. Hence here the answer B is correct. 2 only. Thank you for watching. We will meet in the next video, part 8. Thank you.